So ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to open the 86 LG UQ 9000 2022 model. So that's our TV for today. This is how it will come inside. So inside you'll find the stands. Just 1 minute, I'll come. So ladies and gentlemen, unboxing the 86-inch LG UQ series. So now, what as you know, once we are opening the box, once you're going to install, just do the same what he's doing. Put that inside. The empty box. Put it inside. So normally we put the TV on top of the box when we are going to install, so that this gives the balance of the TV so that you don't break the screen. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, and here we are going to do the job. Just a minute. Wow, that's how they do it. That's how they do it, baby. So about this TV, it comes with the Alpha 7 Generation 5 processor. It will come with the 4 HDMIs. So of which the 4 HDMIs, these two will be 120 Hz, then these two will be 60 Hz. So if you're a gamer, you're going to use these two ports for the gaming, and for the soundbar also you'll use this for the audio return. So right now we'll install the legs. You want to say hi to the people? He's afraid. The nicest guy and youngest in the store. Is the youngest, nicest. So this is where we'll install our legs, as Mr. Francis is doing it.
You're my
No,
boss.
everyone is the boss in the world, so I'm not your boss. Everyone is his own boss, you know.
No. You're my boss.
No, everyone is his own boss in his way. And Mr. Francis is doing a very nice job. And that's it, we are done with the installation of the legs. This video is gonna be so fast. So we are going on the next step of the installation. Sorry, switching it on. So ladies and gentlemen, once you start your TV, it will start like that. So the only thing you have to do is to get your remote. See this button in the middle? You just have to press the button. Then the TV will connect with the remote. So once the TV connects with the remote, we'll go to that screen. So once the remote is connected, we'll start the installation. So our TV is on the stand, and we will set using the TV. If you want, next time we'll try using the ThinQ app, but for today we'll use the TV setting. So as you know, we are in the Middle East. We'll set in the Middle East, and we are in Dubai, so you just go direct to Dubai or wherever you are. Press the next. So we'll skip the Wi-Fi. Okay, we'll just put in the Wi-Fi password. So after entering your, sorry, I had to skip that part where I enter the password, and so on, for security reasons and so on. So after entering your thing to bring the user agreement, but my connection seems so poor. I'll try again one more time. If it's not working, then I'll just skip. I'll say it later. The terms and conditions. So I guess the internet is not fine enough. I'll just do the next. Then once you reach here, you have to choose what you're gonna use, whether you're going to set up using the top box or TV only, or TV and set up top box. But for me right now, I'll do the none. So TV standing is on the wall or it's on the table. This will affect the sound. So for mine, it's on the stand. And now there is this part where there is the AI. I'm sure some of you know the AI. AI means artificial intelligence. So AI, now here it's deactivated. So once you activate the AI picture, you'll see that it will give you the clarity. It will give you even the hidden spots in the picture. So if you remove, you'll see it will be a little bit blurry. But if you activate the AI, it will show you the bright, like the dots. See the dots. Okay, let's remove when it's near the screen. See the brightly. I'm not sure whether you're seeing it properly, but if you activate your AI Picture Pro, then the picture clarity will be better, and sound also it will enhance the sound to 5.1.2 surrounding. And guys, for your information, this TV will be 4K. It's coming with the Alpha 7 Generation 5 processor. Then I'll press the next, and it's using the AI, as you've just seen. It's using the AI sound and AI picture Pro. Then it comes with the acoustic tuning for the sounds. It will be like 20 watts. The sound will be 20 watts. It's coming with a 2.1, so HDMI, and 120 hertz Wi-Fi 5. So the gamers, you can use the 2.1 HDMI, as you saw earlier when we were opening the TV. It's coming with the AMD Freesyc, VIR, active HDR, filmmaker mode. So with 55, it's a nice choice to buy. Yeah. Sorry, 86. I'm sorry. It's a 86 inch. Yeah, so that's my TV has started. That's why you're seeing the demos. I put a USB at the back for the demo stimulator to show you which sizes, how it works, and the clarity of the football, how it's going to be once you switch on your TV. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to stop here. Kindly subscribe to our channel. We love you so much. We love you all. Please subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. We'll be giving you the latest unboxing. So this week we'll be sharing with you the Sony 8K. Yeah. But this TV is a go for. So you can, if you're planning to buy 86-inch, yeah. And for your information, before I go, let's try this out. See this? See this? See what I'm talking about? It's IPS panel. It's IPS panel. If you don't know the IPS panel, some people call it the double screen, that it has 2 screens. Yeah, so I love you so much. Sorry for that. I have a little bit of flu.